Gay Rights Movement by Emily Stengel and Lizzie Trudenick. Goals of the movement are equal rights for gay men, lesbians, bisexuals, and transsexuals. Eliminate laws permitting homosexual acts between consenting adults. End to discrimination against gay men and lesbians in employment, housing, public accommodations, and other areas of life. Why was there a need for this movement? Brutal police raids regularly used against gays at bars led to Stonewall Inn riots. The American Psychiatric Association listed homosexuality as a sociopathic personality disturbance. A report by the U.S. Senate called The Employment of Homosexuals and Other Sex Perverts in the Government caused gays to lose government and military positions. Tactics used: protests and marches, and they formed organizations such as the National Gay and Lesbian Task Force, the Lambda Legal Defense and Educational Fund, used disruptive means to change the APA, American Psychiatric Association, regulations, used court cases to change the law, such as Inc. versus Olson. Important outcomes. In 1962, Illinois was the first state to declare homosexual acts not to be illegal. Gay pride parades are held annually worldwide towards the end of June to honor the Stonewall riots. The American Psychiatric Association repeals the statement that homosexuality is a mental illness. Several openly homosexual politicians are elected to government positions all over the U.S. Harvey Milk, California, and Kathy Kosachenko in Michigan. Timeline. In 1952, the American Psychiatric Association released a report stating that homosexuality is a sociopathic personality disturbance. In 1958, landmark case Inc. versus Olson, the Supreme Court rules in favor of the First Amendment rights. In 1962, Illinois was the first state to declare homosexual acts to not be illegal. In 1969, Stonewall Inn riot takes place in Greenwich Village for 3 days. In 1973, the board of the American Psychiatric Association votes to remove homosexuality from a list of mental illnesses. In 1977, Harvey Milk wins a seat on the San Francisco Board of Supervisors. Edmund White published a trio of books about homosexuality in the 1950s to the 1970s. A Boy's Own Story, The Beautiful Room is Empty, and The Farewell Symphony. These books brought the hardships of being homosexual to the public's attention, causing radical change. These are Drag Queen Self-Portraits by Andy Warhol. Harvey Milk was the first openly gay man in politics. This picture is depicting his self. This is the song It's Alright by the Indigo Girls. And then this is Radical by Katie Curtis. And that's bibliography.